Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Hope, and for today's video we are filming an unboxing video of the D23 Around the World of Disney Parks. So this is what you get for being a member of D23. So I actually became a member so that I could get discounted tickets for this event. This event is in September, which I'm really excited. I'll be live streaming for you guys. When you become a gold member, they send you this 2022 gold member collector set. So this is for 2022, if you see right there. And this is D23 Around the World of Disney Parks. So in this box, and I was so shocked when I opened this box because I didn't believe that this is what they gave you. I mean, you don't know what's in the collector set. So, but they give you a certificate. I've got it turned around, and it says to the official Disney fan club, and it's signed by the Chief Executive Officer, the Walt Disney Company, and it's signed by Mickey Mouse, leader of the club. And I am now an official gold member. Right here, it's got Mickey on there and it says welcome. Basically, the certificate was in there once you open it. And then when you look over here, it gives you, as you can see, right here is the official gold member card. And they also give you, what is this? Oh, it's a passport. When you open it up, it looks like this. And it says Anaheim, Orlando, Tokyo, Paris, Hong Kong, Shanghai, Castaway. And it says the journey begins. Ready to voyage into a world of Disney adventure, fun and excitement? It's our pleasure to welcome you aboard as a D23 Gold member. We can't wait for you to discover all the benefits that only official Disney fan club offers to the ultimate Disney fan. This is so cute. It shows you different things on the different places, and then it says D23 Gold member travel kit essential. There's a pin in here. This is so cool. There's a luggage tag and a pin in here. This is what the pin looks like. This is what the D23 luggage tag looks like. I was just showing you guys what came inside this Disney passport, which was super cool. We got a luggage tag and a pin, and then there's still more to see. So underneath here, you move this out of the way, and oh my goodness, look at this. Look at this. You get 7 pins, and it's all of the locations where there's a Disneyland resort. So we obviously have our Anaheim one, our Paris Disney Cruise Line, the Hong Kong, the Walt Disney World, the Shanghai Resort, and the Tokyo Disney Resort. So here they give you the Disneyland Resort, Disneyland Paris, Disney Shanghai, Tokyo Disney, the Walt Disney World, Disney Cruise Line, and the Disney Hong Kong. This is absolutely incredible. I was not expecting to receive this. I really didn't know what was going to come, but I was just shocked. I mean, this is so incredible. So incredible. I would love one day to travel to all these different places and be able to see all these different resorts. Disney has all this. I'm just so in love with all of this. So that is it for the unboxing of what I got inside the D23 Gold member box. So I really don't know what this is other than it looks like it's a book about everything Disney. So it shows you all the different things that are coming out in spring 2022. I feel like that's what it shows. I mean, they show things along the lines of Doctor Strange. They show you like Captain Rex. Like, I could show you guys specific things of like what they show, but I'm just really confused. I really don't know what this is. Like something about Alice in the Wonderland. I mean, it's just a book on things, everything. The Disney Star Cruiser. I mean, they show that. I'm not really sure, but they also sent me this. So this is more like just like a book on like all things Disney. Shows you like all the things that they've done, new things that are coming out, and on the back it has Turning Red on it. Turning Red is also on the main cover, which is really cool. But that is all that I got for my D23 Gold member box. When I became a member and I bought the tickets, they ask you if you want to add any items towards the end of the transaction. And I actually bought this pin, the limited release D23 Expo, the Ultimate Disney Fan Event. I was actually able to purchase one of these to give away to you guys. So in this video, if you would like to win a D23 Expo pin, just comment down below how long you have been a Disney fan and what you love the most about Disney. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys did, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to comment down below to win this Ultimate Disney Fan pin. And other than that, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!